Hello, WPUSD. Here's a quick screencast on going to Scratch and starting the Scratch instructional video so you know how to teach your kids to code with Scratch and Makey Makey. I have a new tab, so I'm going to type in Scratch, and I've typed it in a couple times so it will come up. Hit enter, and here I am at the website. If it doesn't come up the mit.edu, then it will do a search and then you can click on it. So there's two ways to access. I can hit the create button here, or I can hit the create button here, start creating. This will take me to sort of like my palette, my paint palette, a coding palette. And so what you want to do first is, we don't want the tutorials, so we're going to close those. And right now, this is cat's called a sprite. We don't need the cat, so I'm going to click down here in the box and get rid of the cat. So the first step in coding for Scratch and Makey Makeys is to go to the events button. So over here, these are the blocks, and we're coding in blocks, not words, when we use Scratch. And so a lot of times when you write code over here, it corresponds to a animation that's going to happen over here, but ours are going to be hooked up to the Makey Makeys. So on the Makey Makey, as you've seen, there's a space bar, right click, and then up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. So in Scratch, when I have this, so I'm going to drag this out. I'm going to drag this one out 5 times, and I'm going to space it like this, because there's going to be code below. So I instruct the kids. And as I'm doing this, I do this with the kiddos, and they follow along. There's my 4th one. Here's my 5th one. I kind of put it in the middle. So now they all say spacebar. So I need a spacebar, and it has this little arrow here, which allows me to change it to up arrow. And then I can change it to down arrow. And then I can change it to right arrow. And then I can change it to left arrow. This process with the kiddos takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to have them follow along, get these pieces out on the palette, and then change all the names from space to up arrow to down arrow to right arrow to left arrow. That's step 1.